All right, let's start this real quick. Real quick. Red Sun. Red Sun. How about Sylvester the Cat and Bugs Bunny? Red Sun. How about Sylvester Stallone in Philadelphia where the bell hangs? How about 7 Up showing the red sun? The nose of Sylvester the Cat, the red sun. Down in Japan, and you want to know one place we see the red sun? The rooster on top of every single church is the red sun. You see the way the rooster's hat is? The word rooster, or the end of the word rooster, says tear, which is earth, or a rip. Do you actually know that? You see this here? We have the sun goes all the way through, right? No. The end of this would be the moon. That's why you see it glow. Because the sun would be on this side, and the moon would glow through this side. This would be multiple. There'd be more than one of these. It would be right here, shining out for this side, and then shining out from this side. But like I said, there's more than one of these. There would be two, just like there's more than one hand on the clock. Okay? 91 is the number to the rooster. 91 is the number to spirit. 1 and 9 is the first ball in pool, as the 1 is inside the 9 card. 1 and 9 is the letter S, A, and I, and it says, say, do you know, is what it means. 9 is 1 away from 8, and 7 is 1 away from 8. 7 of the 7th gate, because inside it means the light. 16 and 18 meaning the light. So whatever you're going to show me in numbers, 12, 14, 16, 18, I don't care. The number 1 is in the 10 position, standing for Jack, meaning of one world, of 5. 5 and 5 is 10. I want to mention one thing also. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. In the word Rudolph, okay, is the word Dolph or Dolphin. Dolphin and Rudolphin, the road of Nibiru, leads the way in Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And in the word, once you put E and I together, it automatically is part of the theory of relativity, because that spells Einstein. The number 59 is in the word 3. In the word, it's third. 3 is number 56. 5 by 6 is creation 30 and creates 36 in the numbers. I was going to show you, but it's not showing up on the screen, that when you say first, it ends in ST. When you say second, it ends in ND. When you say third, it finishes in RD. When you say fourth and fifth, because that's where it switches over, 4, 5, and 6, okay? When you say fourth and fifth, it ends in ETH. Standard death. ST, first and last. Second, ND, RD, TH, ETH. First is 72, and 72 parts of the clock of 5 degrees is 360 degrees. The short count is 36 for creation. Second is a part that numbers connects to Mars, connects to Saturn. Number 93. Inside a second, 9 and 3 equals 12, 1 and 2 is 3. So inside number 2 or second equals to 3, and 2 equals to 4. That is the DC. They linked up 2 different worlds together in order to do whatever they do with their energies, so we don't pick up the proper energy. Inside number 3, it's 59. That's the theory of relativity. Inside third and first, in third the T, and in first the T, and in first it's IRT that is together, okay? And it says rice in French. RIT is rice, okay? So whatever you do with the weddings at rice, you throw the rice. Has to do with something. So first and third have 3 collective letters that are the same. 1, 2, 3 is 7, 4, 2, which is 2 stands for 5 and 8. It's how can I explain it simpler than this? This is the setup. Okay, when you go to low shoe, it's like this. See the way this angle 3 and 7 become the wing together? It's like this and like this. Remember, on this angle, everything is multiplied. See the multiple sign? On this angle, all you see is the plus sign. So inside your letters, A and H is B, C, D, E, F, G, all in the E family. A and H envelop them inside of it. So that's what I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I do small counts of numbers. Okay? Everything is included. Everything means something. Everything has a value. So 1 is number 7. 2 is number 4. 3 is number 2. 4 is number 6, but it equals to 60. It means it's the middle of, so 60 equals 66. 6 and 6 is 12. 1 and 2 is 3. That means 4 equals 3. 5 equals 6. And 9 equals 6. And 5 and 9 in E-I-E-I-O in the game of craps. Okay? In the game of craps, the 5 and the 9 have the same payouts. If you make a $5 bet on them, you will get $7 back. That is the gateway. 5, 7. 3, 7, and 5. There was one other thing I wanted to mention. I'm not sure where. I'm just like overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. We already spoke about Jesus, right? Now, Jesus, if you were French and you said Jesus was born in the manger, a French person would say he was born in the kitchen, in the salle à manger, in the place where we eat. The barn doors have X on it. What place, other places, have barn doors? Okay? What places has barn doors other than a laboratory? The word, or the letter H and the letter T for time heaven, when you put the H and the T together and the sound of the H and the sound of the T, it says teacher. It says teacher. Inside the word, it says teacher. T and H, time heaven, okay, which starts at 4th and goes all the way to 20th. And at 21st is the first time we say ST again. 1st and 21st. In between that, it's 4 all the way to 20th. If you add up 1 to 20, it equals to 210. Take away 1, 2, 3 would equal 6. You would end up with 204. Let's take away the 20, you end up with 184. When it says the spirit of space. You see, man is, but he inhales the air to breathe. If man didn't need anything from the earth, then we wouldn't add any more numbers, but he inhales the earth. Raphael, 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus, there's just so much. The U and the V. You put a U around your neck, but if there were 2 necks to hold, it would end up to say the W. The French say W, meaning double V's, and the English say W. Raphael, 7286, the constellation of Pegasus, in the year 5775, in the year of George, okay, GE 5775, 3, 5, and 7, 3, 5, and 7, thank you.